Want to see your iPhone screen on your computer for free? I'm about to show you the easiest way that actually works. Hey guys, so you want to mirror your iPhone to your Windows PC or Mac? I definitely got you covered. Today I'm showing you Lonely Screen, and trust me, this is going to blow your mind because it is completely free and takes literally 2 minutes to set up. Before we start, here's what you need, and it's super simple. Your iPhone, a Windows PC or Mac computer. Both devices need to be on the same Wi-Fi network, and that's it. No cables, nothing else, nothing more, nothing less. Step 1, download Lonely Screen. Go to your computer and search Lonely Screen. I'll leave a link in the description below. Download it and install it. No trial period, no hidden fees, just pure free goodness. Step 2, launch the app. Once it's installed, just go ahead and open it up. You'll see the simple window. It says Lonely Screen. Your receiver ready to go. Keep that window open. Step 3, connect your iPhone. Now grab your iPhone and swipe down from the top right corner. You will see screen mirroring. Tap that. Step 4, select Lonely Screen. You should see the Lonely Screen pop up in the screen mirroring tab. Just tap it and boom, your iPhone screen immediately appears on your computer. How cool is that? Now here are some game-changing tips. You can record your screen while mirroring. This is perfect for tutorials. If you have just one phone and you want to use the back camera of it, you can use the screen mirroring to see how you frame your subject. It works great for presentations or schools. Gaming, your iPhone games now play on big screens. And if you need to disconnect, just go back to the screen mirroring and disconnect it. If yours is not working, make sure you check these things. Your phone and your computer needs to be connected to the same Wi-Fi, or better still, use your phone to hotspot your computer. Restart Lonely Screen if needed. Sometimes you might have to restart it for it to work properly. And that's it. You just learn how to mirror your iPhone screen to any computer for free. No more squinting on that tiny screen when you can show something to friends and family. If this video helped you out, please smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And hey, if you want more free tech tips like this, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you never miss out. Peace out. See you on me next.